Hi, I'm Renee and I'm your Progear bike specialist here to help you assemble your new retro bike. Let's get started. Okay, so first let's start by opening your box. Cutting off the straps just using either scissors or Stanley knife, something like that. Now we remove the bike out of the box. As you can see, it comes in one piece and already 80% assembled. Okay, so once all the packaging is removed from your bike, this is what it should look like. So please make sure to read through your manual to ensure that you have all the parts that you need. Okay, so for ease of assembly, we do recommend using a work stand. However, if you do not have access to one, the same steps can be followed on the ground. These are the tools that you'll need to assemble your retro bike. A 5mm Allen key, 6mm Allen key, Phillips head screwdriver, two 15mm spanners, one 10mm spanner, an 8mm spanner, and a bicycle pump.